Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through St. Andrew. We're driving through the area called Grandspen. We're on Grandspen Main Road heading from Barbican towards Shortwood Road. Grandspen is a very populated area. It's a large community. It's also a very popular area. A lot of restaurants, a lot of plazas on the main road, but as you turn left or right, you have a lot of residential homes. Coming up on the left is the Grandspen Police Station, and it's one of the newer police stations built in Jamaica, and it's supposed to have a more modern look. And I think there's a post office. There's like a little complex over there with different stores, those kind of things. I think they were trying a new concept with the police stations. It's a large police station. It has a community center. I think stores are in there. There's an ATM in the police station, which makes a lot of sense. If you need to get money at night, you might want to go somewhere that's secure. No better place than a police station. Okay, we're now passing over the intersection with Shortwood Road. If we turn right there, that would take us onto Shortwood Road up to Manor Park. If we turn left, that would take us down to Kingston Spring Road. Okay, on the right is we're coming up on a new plaza that was recently built. It's called Global Plaza. Okay, let's take a look. Very nice plaza. Oh, that road that we just turned on, that's where the Observer newspaper used to be located. It was located behind this plaza, but they recently moved to a bigger facility on, I think, Beechwood Avenue. But when the Observer newspaper, and that's the second largest printed newspaper in Jamaica, started operations, they were located in the Grandspen area. Okay, this road here on the right, you go up there, and I think it's Fagan Avenue. That's where the newspaper was located. Okay, over here on the right is a, I think this is a parking lot. That's what it's used for now, for a supermarket that's located across the road. Probably that building is for storage. Okay, they have an entrance here. Okay, straight ahead you can see that supermarket called Fresh Approach, and this is the parking lot or additional parking for the supermarket. Okay, it says no entry, so we're going to enter from Kingston Spring Road and drive through. Okay, so in this plaza now you have Fresh Approach, East Japanese. Okay, this supermarket has been here quite a while, but where you see the East Japanese sign, that used to be a Sugar and Spice. They sell patties. Apparently they moved and it's now East Japanese. Okay, nice little plaza. Alright, so we're going to go back through Grandspen and turn right and go onto Shortwood Road. This gully, I think people just refer to it as Grandspen Gully, but it has a name. I think it runs all the way up to Charlton Avenue. I'll leave the name in the description, the official name. Grandspen has a lot of commercial activity. Straight ahead on the left, that's another plaza. That red building on the right is a bar. So at this intersection, we go straight across, that's Grandspen Road. We turn left, that's Shortwood Road, and that takes us up to the Manor Park area. But we're going to turn right and head towards Constant Spring Road. Okay, so we're now on Shortwood Road. On the left is Upper Waterloo Road. We take that road to take us down to the Halfway Tree area. Okay, on the left is a manufacturing plant. This part of Grandspen now is more the commercial part with a lot of plants or manufacturing plants, plazas, a lot of business locations or offices. Okay, this intersection now, if we turn left or right, that's Constant Spring Road. If we turn left, we take Constant Spring Road down to Halfway Tree. If we turn right, we take Constant Spring Road down to if we turn right, we take Constant Spring Road up to Manor Park. And if we go straight across, that's Central Avenue. Constant Spring Road is another road that was recently renovated, and Constant Spring Road is one of the busiest roads in Kingston, or in St. Andrew to be precise. Most persons just refer to Kingston and St. Andrew as Kingston, but they are two separate parishes, but they are controlled by the same government authority, the KSAC. So it's like whatever rules they make for Kingston, they make for both. So most persons just say Kingston. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.